Every social media manager knows this pain. Post design in Google Drive, post caption in Google Sheets, and approvals on Slack. And you're just trying to piece it all together. But imagine, what if all of these tools could talk to each other? That is exactly what automation tools do. And now you can integrate your favorite automation tools like Zapier, Make, N8N, and Pabbly with ContentStudio. Hi, this is Amna from ContentStudio, and in this video, I'll be talking about what automation tools are and why they matter. Let me simplify. Automation tools are basically platforms that allow you to connect apps and perform tasks automatically between those apps. Think of them as digital delivery drivers. They fetch data from one app and deliver it to another without you having to step in. This all works because of something called an API. This basically allows the apps to talk to each other and perform tasks. For example, when you update your content calendar in your Notion, it will fetch the data from there and schedule or draft a post in ContentStudio without having you step in. So you may be wondering, why is it a big deal? Now, yes, automation can help you save time, but what people actually miss is that first, automation can change your mental bandwidth. It's not just about saving 10 minutes here and there, it's about removing interruptions and repetitive redundant tasks. So basically, a task that you do every day and it takes you about 30-40 minutes to do that task, you can just automate that and you will have 40 minutes free in your schedule. Number 2, automation reduces chaos in teams. Instead of chasing approvals in Slack messages, emails, and chat threads, you can set up an automation for the moment when the required person approves a post, it is automatically scheduled in ContentStudio. Number 3, automation builds consistency for brands. No more missed launches or delayed announcements. For example, you can set up a workflow for every new product that is added to Shopify. It will generate a post in ContentStudio so nothing goes amiss and every product has its own update post. Number 4, automation scales in a way humans just can't. If you're managing 5 accounts, maybe you can keep up manually, but working with 15 or 20 accounts, you will burn out you yourself and your team. So what does this mean for ContentStudio? Now this is the part where it gets interesting. Because ContentStudio integrates with automation tools, now you're not restricted to one workflow. You can use different apps and connect them in one workflow with ContentStudio. For example, from Google Sheets to ContentStudio. So if we add new data to Google Sheets, it will automatically draft and schedule a post on ContentStudio. Similarly, you can make a workflow from WordPress to ChatGPT to ContentStudio, meaning to say that if a new blog gets posted, it will fetch the data of the blog, give it to ChatGPT to make a post out of it and draft it in ContentStudio. So that way, you are all up to date on your blog post and their social post. And here's the best part. ContentStudio acts as a social hub. Once the content is in from all other sources, you can do all of your scheduling, analytics, approvals inside ContentStudio. So this isn't just a new feature, it's a shift on how you can manage your social media content moving forward. And in the next few videos, we'll break it down tool by tool from Zapier, Make.com, Pabbly, and N8N, and you can see exactly how you can make workflows to automate your social media management. Because the future of social media management isn't more hands-on tech, it's smarter systems running in background.